Yes. Welcome back to the discussion of Pythagoras theorem related exercise. So we have finished the 13th question in the last video now. So now we'll start with the 14th question discussion. Okay. See here we have the question 14th question is this. The perpendicular from A, okay, on side BC of a triangle ABC. The perpendicular from A point, the perpendicular on BC. So for BC, in the sense AD perpendicular to BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at such that. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, this db is 3 times of this cd is given. This db measurement is 3 times of cd measurement. For example, db measurement is somewhat, okay, so cd 3 times for that much is db. Okay, so is that clear, students? db is 3 cd is given. Using this, prove that 2ab square, okay, 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square we have to show. 2ab square is equal to 2ac square plus bc square we have to show. This is to prove part. Okay, what is given actually? This db measurement is 3 times of this cd measurement is given. AD perpendicular to bc measurement is given. So don't see this x by 4 and 3x by 4. This is what actually when we are solving the problem we got this result. How we got that x by 4 and 3x by 4 I'll explain you. Now we are considering this BC side as x. Okay, we are naming this BC side as x. Let us start the problem. Triangle ABC given data with AD perpendicular to BC. Given is triangle ABC is given, in that AD perpendicular to BC is given, and DB is equal to 3 times CD is given. This much is given data. To prove, what we have to prove here, that is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square we have to prove. Okay, now proof, we'll begin the proof with considering this BC side as x anta itkolana. BC is equal to x. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ CD plus DB is equal to x ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ. CD total BC is equal to x ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BC ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, CD plus DB ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು is equal to x. CD plus given ನೋಡಿ, DB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3CD. Can we substitute DB as 3CD now? Yes, CD plus 3CD is equal to x. CD plus 3CD ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 4CD ಆಯ್ತು, which is equal to x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ CD is equal to x by 4. CD distance ಏನಾಯ್ತು, x by 4. That's why here we marked as x by 4. Now come to this side. Okay, so now DB ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, CD x by 4 ಆದ್ರೆ DB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3CD ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. DB is equal to 3CD, therefore 3B is equal to 3 into CD value just now we got x by 4. Substitute that CD as x by 4, then 3x by 4. So here we got 3x by 4. ಇದು x by 4 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರ 3 times ಇದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3x by 4 ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ. So now you got CD and DB as x by 4 and 3x by 4 respectively. Now we are observing this is a right angle triangle. In triangle ADC, in right triangle ADC, okay, apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay, in right triangle ADC, so we are applying Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC measurement is x by 4. So that is AC square is equal to AD square plus x square by 16 ಅನ್ನೋ result ಸಿಕ್ತು. Okay, so this is equation 1. Now apply same Pythagoras theorem for another triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Okay, so then AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 3x by 4 whole square. Then AB square is equal to AD square plus 9x square by 16. Call this equation as equation 2. We got equation 1 and 2. ಈ equation 1 and 2 ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ subtracting 2 from 1. Okay na? So 2 from 1, subtracting equation 2 from 1. Then 1 is this one ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ AC square minus AB square is equal to AD square plus x square by 16 minus of bracket must and should binomial expression ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ AD square plus 9x square by 16. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ AC square minus AB square as it is, AD square plus x square by 16, remove the bracket with the sign operation, minus AD square, minus into plus minus, that is 9x square by 16. Next plus AD square minus AD square cancel. Then x square by 16 minus 9x square by 16 is remaining. Okay. Now see here 16 same denominator in the sense numerator is x square minus 9x square. Then x square minus 9x square is like term minus 8x square by 16. Okay. 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 ಮತ್ತೆ 16 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So then what we got is AC square minus AB square is equal to minus x square divided by 2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. one step we have skipped. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಉಳಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2AC square minus 2AB square is equal to minus x square. Is that clear, students? So here AC square minus AB square is equal to minus x square by 2 equal to next step ಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2AC square minus 2AB square is equal to here minus x square ಆಯ್ತು. Next just take this minus x square to this side, transfer this minus 2AB square to this side. Then what you will get, 2AC square plus x square is equal to minus 2AB square ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು plus 2AB square ಆಯ್ತು. Then 2AC square plus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ BC, substitute that x as BC. So then x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ BC ಬಂದ್ರೆ BC square is equal to 2AB square. 2AC square plus BC square is equal to 2AB square. Actually this is what we have to prove now. Illodi 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So this is about the proof. Got the idea now, students? So beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ. ಇದು x by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಇದು 3x by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now consider the right angle triangle, two right angle triangles. Apply Pythagoras theorem for both. You will get equation 1 and equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from 1, then you will get the result. This is about the 14th question. I think you have got the clear picture of this problem, no? Yes, we'll go to 15th problem. I don't know whether the page is visible or not. I just tried to cover the solution in only one page. That's why it looks small. Okay. So you just see the question, 15th question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is 1 by 3 BC. BD length is, this BD length is 1 by 3rd of BC length. Okay. In an equilateral triangle ABC, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point, D another point on side BC. So that is BD is equal to 1/3 of 1 by 3 of BC. Prove that. Here something is given. What we have to prove? 9AD square. 9 times of this AD square is equal to 7 times of this AB square we have to prove. This AD line, that is square of this AD line is 9 times that square of this AB line is 7 times. Okay, 9AD square is equal to 7AB square we have to prove. So actually, is this diagram is given in your textbook or what we diagram? Complete diagram we have to draw. Yes. So 15th question, see this question actually. 15th question in your textbook. Are you observing the textbook here? Okay, so you all are having textbook now. Question number 15. Diagram is not given. You have to draw the diagram. In an equilateral triangle ABC, draw triangle ABC first. Okay. D is a point on side BC. D ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ BC ಮೇಲೆ. Such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ D ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. BD ಲೆಂತ್ 1/3 of BC ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ AD ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. What we have to prove? 9AD square ಅನ್ನೋದು 7AB square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. AE is our construction. Listen students. First we'll start with the given data. ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point on BC such that BD is 1/3 BC. Okay. So to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AE ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು BC ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ AE ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು BC. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, AE ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು BC. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC, ABC is an equilateral triangle ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can take AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. We are giving the name of all the sides as X no. Okay, equal. Okay, X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So next, what is given actually? BD is equal to 1/3 BC is given. Okay, so then if we substitute it, BC ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ BD is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು? X/3 ಆಯ್ತು. BD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is X/3. Now in triangle AEB, so just to take the triangle AEB and triangle AEC. After the construction, that main triangle ABC divided into two parts alva. That is, one is AEB, another one is AEC. Now compare these two triangles. So our target is BE is equal to EC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. See here, in a triangle AEB and in a triangle AEC, AB is equal to AC alva, because equilateral triangle, in the sense all sides are equal, in the sense AB is equal to AC. Then AE is equal to AE common alva. First step actually common ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. AE is equal to AE common. Then AB is equal to AC given. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ equilateral triangle ಅಂತ. Construction wise, angle AEB is equal to angle AEC ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Yes, angle AEB is equal to angle AEC 90 degree construction. Therefore, according to RHS congruency rule, we can say that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AEC. So in CPCT, we can say that this BE is equal to EC. In the sense, BE is half of BC anta barkolbodalva. Yes, BE is equal to EC ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BE is half of BC. ಸೊ BC ಅನ್ನ X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ BE ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು X/2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ BE is equal to X/2. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. BE ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ? X/2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. BE ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು? BD plus DE ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ BE is equal to BD plus DE, that is equal to X/2 ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್, BD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? X/3 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ DE ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿದು? X/2. ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, BE ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ನಾವು ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ X/2. BE we can take it as BD plus DE. ಓಕೆ, BD plus DE ಅಂದ್ರೆ X/3 plus DE is equal to BE ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? X/2. ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X/3 plus DE which is equal to X/2. Therefore DE is equal to X/2 minus X/3. Here after taking the LCM, we have got DE as X/6. What we got actually? DE as X/6. Okay, DE measurement ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? X/6 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. BD ಸಿಕ್ತು X/3. DE ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಏನು x/6. Okay, now in triangle AEB, look at this triangle AEB. We are taking this side, okay na? ಇಲ್ಲಿ cover ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. In triangle AEB, you want figure AEB, this triangle we are taking. So take, okay, use Pythagoras theorem for that. In triangle AEB, Pythagoras theorem apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AB side is x, AE only, BE ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ x/2 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x square is equal to AE square plus x square by 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x square ಮತ್ತೆ x square by 4 ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ is equal to AE square. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3x square by 4. ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ equation as equation number 1. AE ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3x square by 4 ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AED, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗಿರೋ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ AED. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇದು AEB ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ AED ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AED, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್. AD ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು AE ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ DE ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. AD ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು AE ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3x square by 4. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, 3x square by 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ DE ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋಯ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. DE ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x/6 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3x square by 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಾಗ x square by 36. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ LCM is 36, therefore 3x square into 9 plus x square, so that is 27x square plus x by 36. I'm not giving the stress to that LCM method and all because you all know that one. Okay, that's why just I'm explaining. 27x square plus x square by 36, then like terms 28x square by 36 ಆಯ್ತು. AD square is equal to then 7x square by 9. After the simplification 7x square by 9. Okay, then 9 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 9AD square is equal to 7x square. 9AD square is equal to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ AB. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೂಫಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ABನೂ ಹೌದು, BCನೂ ಹೌದು, ACನೂ ಹೌದು. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೂಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು AB ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Hence proof. This is what the proof. Okay, so problem is little bit different. Okay, just recall equilateral triangle, each side we have to take it as x. One construction is very important, that is AE perpendicular to BD. Okay na? So next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡಾಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. BD x/3 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ RHS congruency rule wise equal congruent ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು BE is equal to EC, that is BE is half of BC ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ BE x/2 ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ BE ಅನ್ನ BD plus DE ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ DE ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ABE ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ AE ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AED ಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ actually we got the proof. Practice. Okay, so practice this problem properly. This is about the 15th question. Okay, now so we'll go to 16th one. 16th and 17th are simple questions. Okay, so we'll finish that one also. 16th question, you see 16th question. In an equilateral triangle, again it is an equilateral triangle. Prove that 3 times of the square of one side, okay, 3 times of square of any one side equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದು 3 times of one side square is equal to 4 times of its altitude ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದು 3 times which is equal to altitude na square ಗೆ 4 times ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು A ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು A. Okay, yes, let each side of equilateral triangle be A. AB ಅನ್ನ A, small a, BC is also small a, AC is also small a. Okay, equilateral triangle. So now again same, now last problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. So altitude, AD is the altitude. Okay, AD altitude in the sense 90 degree ಪಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So we are taking triangle ABD and triangle ADC. We are applying RHS congruency rule. So AB is equal to AC given, AD is equal to AD common, then angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, that is also 90 degree given, no? Altitude, AD is altitude in the sense 90 degree. According to RHS congruency rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. Therefore, we can take this BD is equal to DC. CPCT, BD is equal to DC. Then BD is half of BC alva. This BD length is half of BC. Okay, so next BD length is half of BC antandre, BC is A antandre, BD enaitu. 1 second. BD is actually A by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? BC A ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this BD is equal to DC ಅಂದ್ರೆ BD is half of BC alva, so BD is A by 2. Now in triangle ABD, we are taking this triangle ABD. Angle ADB is 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square andre A square is equal to AD square plus A by 2 whole square. Okay. So next, in the calculation easy there. A square is equal to AD square plus A by 2 whole square. Then A square is equal to AD square plus A square by 4 I2. Transfer this A square by 4 to this side, that is A square minus A square by 4 is equal to AD square. Now LCM is 4. Then here 4A square minus A square divided by 4 is equal to AD square. Then 4A square minus A square is 3A square is equal to 4AD square. Already namdu proof mugitu illodi. 3A square, 3A andre any side, 3 times of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times of its any one of its altitude. AD is altitude. ಈ A square ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ನ ನೇಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, AB, okay, or BC ಅಥವಾ AC, any side. Okay, 3AB square is equal to 4 times of altitude square. Is that clear, students? Very simple now. Here we are taking the help of RHS congruency rule. Is that clear? Explanation part is very simple, this one. This is about the 16th question. Okay, now last question, that is 17th question. Yeah, here we have one multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is 6 root 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AC is 12. Hypotenuse measurement is given. BC is 6 meter. Okay, 6 centimeter. This is 6 root 3, 6, 12. All the three sides measurement is given, but we don't know whether it is a right angle triangle or not. We don't know actually. The angle B is, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ angle B is either 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. Here, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? We have all the three sides measurement and we have one concept in our mind, that is square of any one side of any triangle, square of any one side of triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Can we use that property? So, AB square plus BC square is equal to, we'll check, AB square plus BC square. AB is 6 root 3 whole square plus BC is 6 square. Here 6 root 3, listen carefully, 6 root 3 whole square. First we have to apply square for 6, that is 36. Then root 3 whole square, square root cancel 3, 36 into 3 plus 6 square is 36. When 36 into 3 is 108 plus 36, that is 144 centimeter. Okay, so then AB square plus AC square is equal to 144 centimeter ಆಯ್ತು. Then AC ನೋಡಿ, AC ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? AC is 12. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ AC square ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 12 square. Then AC square is equal to also equal to 144 ಬಂತು. AB square plus BC square ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 144 ಬಂತು. ಖಾಲಿ one side AC square ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 144. So from that we got the result as AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC square. According to converse of Pythagoras theorem, in any triangle, so square of any one side equal to square of the other two sides, sum of the squares of the other two sides, then it forms right angle. Then here it is a 90 degree. ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 144 ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಸಮ್ 144 ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ದೆನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಇಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ Option C is right. This is about the 17th question. I think this is the end of the problem, no? Yes, this is the end of the exercise question. Now I'll give the time for the doubts clarification. So yes, if you are having any confusion regarding this, here the chapter is over, okay? So we have completed one big chapter, that is triangles, very, very important and having the weightage in examination, okay na? So examination ge yakandre because it contains 4 theorems, okay? So weightage in the examination, we have finished that topic. So if you are having any doubts, you can ask now. So this is the end of the triangles topic, okay? So successfully we have finished the triangles topic and the remaining work is yours. How we are going to practice all the theorems and how we will practice all the example problems and exercise problems. I think we discussed each and every problem, right? So we have discussed all the example problems and all the exercise questions, okay? So and we have discussed all the theorems also. Then work is yours. You have to start your work. How you will prepare triangles topic for the examination. So that is left to you students, okay? Yes, if you are having any doubts, you can ask now.